You guys, they came to bring the new refrigerator, and you can see he had to take the doors out. Hold on, let me get this. Okay, you can see this thing is so dirty and it needs to be scrubbed. I washed over here, but until we take the floor out, there's not much more I can do. Now, this guy has got this refrigerator. He's not using a dolly. His buddy's not over here helping him.
Got no time for a dolly.
He is handsome. Now, I said I don't care about the kitchen floor, but don't mess up my concrete, really?
She'll be all right.
Here, let me take this out of your way. I'm telling you guys, this itty bitty door, it's hard. What's your name, sir?
My name is Juan.
Juan, okay. And oh my God, there's my new refrigerator hanging off the end of that truck. Oh, that is so scary. Look, it's little bitty, you guys. It's going to be so awesome. Holy moly. Oh, there's no wheels on that, you know. Where are you going with it?
This one? This thing?
Yeah, where are you going?
Oh, that's right. We're not taking.
You're not taking.
Where am I putting it?
You can just put it anywhere. Juan is confused. He's hot.
Yeah. Delirious.
And he's tired. Woo. You don't want the surgeon doing surgery in the middle of the day. You want it when he's fresh. Okay.
Pull these doors out. This is all. Is this all
Back
garbage?
in the. Do what, hun?
Is this all garbage, or are you gonna...
No. It's going to be donated, so the doors need to go back on.
Okay.
Careful. Woo! These guys are moving so fast. Hazel's trying to be good. Isn't that a nice little mess? Can you believe the contents of the refrigerator fits on this little bit of counter space? Now I'm going to tell you, this is the iced coffee that I drink, and I had a glass of it poured, and I had it sitting in the freezer to get nice and cold, and what did I do? I forgot. So I had iced coffee all in the freezer of the old refrigerator. Terrible. I'll start this up again, guys, when they start moving the new one in. Okay, you guys, part 2 of the new refrigerator. Sir, you know you're going to be on my YouTube channel, right?
I'm kind of camera shy, man.
All right, I will keep you out of it. Isn't that beautiful, you guys?
Hey, you gotta take that handle.
Now be really careful, okay? No scratches.
Guess one.
Okay, our friend is shy, so I'm going to turn the camera off.